I now turn to the group that I missed, with apologies to you. I call on Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front, ASNLF.
Thank you. I'm honored to speak the representation of Acehnese in traditional and social media. Aceh, at the northern tip of Sumatra, carries immense cultural and historical significance. Yet, for decades, the Acehnese have faced systemic misrepresentation, marginalization, and neglect. Our narratives of resilience and right are too often overshadowed, disordered, or ignored. Media in Indonesia frequently reduces minorities like Acehnese to harmful stereotypes, while social media algorithms amplify disinformation and polarizing rhetoric. Legal instruments like the Indonesian Electronic Information and Transaction Law and provision of the Criminal Code are often weaponized to silence dissent. These laws suppress Acehnese activists, journalists, and civil society, erasing our voices from mainstream narratives and denying us the right to define our identity. Despite these challenges, media hold transformative potential platforms that support minority languages and localized storytelling, can counter misinformation, foster pride, and amplify underrepresented voices. Grassroots initiatives led by Acehnese youth showcase how digital media can connect communities and combat hate speech. However, legal framework must protect, not undermine, freedom of expression. These Acehnese deserve narratives that celebrate their culture, recognize their contribution, and acknowledge their struggles. In line with Article 19 of the ICCPR, we call for inclusive, ongoing dialogue among stakeholders to create media environments that uplift every voice and reflect the richness of the global society. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Turkey, please.